Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna talking about the private Instagram account. So if you want to view the photos of a private Instagram account, how would you do that? So make sure to watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so here if you want to see an Instagram account which is private, so unfortunately you cannot view that because Instagram itself says that the only way to see someone's private Instagram profile or stories is to follow their account. Unfortunately, there are no workarounds. You will need to tap the follow button on their profile and wait for the person to approve your request. So there is no way through which you can see the private Instagram account photos. So kindly don't waste your time by watching inappropriate videos about the private Instagram account photos. You cannot review them. And one thing that I want to mention here is that if you use some third-party applications to view the private Instagram account, might probably your account will be banned. So don't do these type of things. You cannot review a private Instagram account without your permission. So the convenient way to review the profile of a private Instagram account is to go and follow them and wait for their approval, and then you can easily review it. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.